Ready?
I am Iqbal from Bangladesh. I am working Singapore. Exit service. Now I am welding. Start.
This Barjan also Iqbal by door ready. See, Barjan captain door ready. This John also Iqbal by door ready. This one 4 inches pipe. Now he doing flams. Very nice. Very nice. Our company name Exit Service says Singapore. Also M plus W calling people. Okay. Hey, Iqbal bhai, how many minutes? Okay la. Alright. One time fresh, okay la. Yeah. Finish. Okay.